confidence in our armed forces, with the unbounding determination of our people, we will gain the inevitable triumph, so help us God.
Attacks, the U.S. entered World War II, and tens of thousands of young men that grew up with Smiling Jack, Tailspin Tommy, Eddie Rickenbacker, Billy Bishop, and Figgles rushed to the recruiters to fly, but the Air Corps wasn't ready. Fortunately, Hap Arnold, Chief of the United States Air Corps, knew this and had made contracts with several civilian organizations before the war started. Schools like Embry-Riddle, Spartan School of Aeronautics, and another owned by longtime U.S. aerobatic champion Tex Rankin, who started the Rankin Aeronautical Academy in Tulare, California. They employed civilian instructors as a military check center. Over 10,000 students went through primary flight training there, including Dick Vaughn, America's ace of aces with 40 kills, and the man who would become Sergeant Joe Friday, Cadet Jack Webb, who unfortunately washed out in Class 44D. Serial number 2178488 showed up there in July of 1943, looking as she does before you. Contrary to the January of 1943 tech order changing the United States Air Corps design from the blue and yellow to an all-silver paint job, techs put the yellow band around the fuselage and chevron along the top wing because of perpetual haze in the San Joaquin Valley. My family spent 1,492 days doing full restoration on that. My brother and I acquired the time and experience for our airframe and power plant certificates. Mom even helped with the rib stitching. The airframe is a fabric covering and took 2,273 stitches to hold it all on. aerobatic routine flown to you today by John Skipper Hyle, my dad, is indicative of the aerobatic maneuvers taught to the young cadets after less than 50 hours of flight training. With only 220 horsepower, the 2,600-pound airframe takes some finesse to throw about the sky. The cadets, besides being taught the basics, straight and level flight, flying, turns, and ascents, were taught formation, cross-country navigation, night flying, and the aerobatics you see before you. No matter what they would go on to fly later, all much heavier, a lot faster, and more powerful, from P-51s, B-17s, and C-47s. This is the portal they all passed through before they got there.
It's his last and final pass, everybody. How about a very big night? They learn to fly maneuvers. They learn to fly cross-country, a little bit of formation flying as well. And if you didn't wash out and you moved on to the next phase, you'd move on to the advanced training with an aircraft such as the North American T-6. Mustang, powered by the Rolls-Royce Packard-built Merlin V12 engine, producing about 1,600 horsepower and more emergency power. Considered the Cadillac